In this video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins on an Apex Hosting server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Apex Hosting and go to your server panel. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see this section that says game file. And you want to go ahead and press on this. And now what you need to do is you need to select a software that is friendly with plugins. And what I mean by that is you want to install something like Spigot or Bukkit or also PaperMC. Now, by far the most common one is PaperMC, and as you're able to tell, it is also the most up-to-date at the time of recording this video. So that's why I suggest using PaperMC, but again, you always want to go ahead and take a look at what type of plugins you're trying to install and whether they're compatible with PaperMC. So remember, we've got PaperMC right here, we also have Spigot down there, and we got Bukkit all the way up there. So it is in alphabetical order, by the way. That's another thing to keep in mind. So let's select on Paper 1.21.10. And then when you do this, it is typically going to give you a warning message like this. It is going to double check if you really want to install Paper for 1.21.10, and then changing your server version to Paper 1.21.10 will overwrite your existing mods, plugins, and configuration files with new ones from this version. But if you want to preserve your existing files and enable seamless switching between configurations, then it does suggest you create a new server panel instead. So that is definitely something you're able to do. But for this video, I'm just going to select on change profile. Then I'm going to select on create world. You could also use an existing world, but again, that is a little bit risky. And I always recommend making a backup of your server beforehand, just in case things get a little bit messed up. So anyways, let's just select on create new world. Then you will need to restart your server, so press on restart now, and now that is going to restart your server with the new software for plugins. So again, we're using PaperMC because that will seamlessly allow you to install plugins and stuff like that. So wait for it to actually go ahead and load in. Now, what you could also do after the server is actually finished loading in is you want to go to the left menu and select over here where it says plugin list. Then you guys are able to go ahead and find a bunch of plugins to install. So as you're able to tell, we got a lot of great options over here. We got inventory stacks, we got simple voice chat basically, and you're able to go ahead and scroll down and find plugins you want to go ahead and install. So let's say we want to install this plugin. We're absolutely able to do so, inventory stacks. Then you're able to go ahead and select on the version right here, then press on install. And then you just need to go ahead and wait for the plugin to be installed. Sometimes things can get a little bit glitchy because some plugins will only work for like Bukkit, some plugins will only work for Spigot and stuff like that. But a lot of the popular ones are actually compatible with Paper. So you should be good to go. And as you're able to tell, the server is now online. So you're able to copy the IP and then join the server. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.